What's up guys? Today, ang i-share ko sa inyo ay i-update ko lang yung video ko previously, yung how employer certify SSS salary loan. Kasi hindi pa ako naka-update ng bagong video kasi nga nagbago na ng feature si SSS. So let's start! How employer certify SSS salary loan. Pag merong employee na nag-a-apply ng SSS salary loan, si employer makakatanggap ng email from SSS na request for employer certifications of employee salary loan application. Important reminder para sa mga employer, loan application not reviewed, certified within 3 working days from the date it was filed by your employee will automatically expired. Login to employer account. So, ilalagay lang natin ang user ID, password, then click sign in button. So, next mong gagawin ay one-time PIN. Select one option and click tap get PIN to proceed. So, click natin ang time-based one-time password tapos pindutin mo ang get PIN. So, nandito na tayo sa dashboard ng employer. So, sa bandang baba guys ng Certify of Loan Claim Benefit section, may mapapansin ka na merong isang nag-apply ng salary loan. So, next mong gagawin ay pipindutin mo lang itong certify para mabuksan mo at malaman kung sino yung employee na nag-apply sa inyong company. So, nandito na tayo sa services/certification of loan. So, meron dyan dalawang action na gagawin kung i-certify or not i-certify ang SSS salary loan ng employee. So, makita nyo dyan guys sa bandang baba, meron dyan responsibilities of the employer. So, pakibasa nyo na lang yan guys, yung 5 i-attest ni employer. So, after mabasa, i-click mo yung I hereby confirm and agreed to the responsibilities of the employer stated above. Then, i-click mo lang yung submit button. So, after mo maklik yung submit button, so the following application for certification has been processed. So, congratulations. So, makikita dyan guys yung certified transaction number tapos member name. So, after ma-certify ni HR ang SSS salary application ng employee, sa SSS naman mag-i-email ng notification sa employer registered email na the SSS member loan application of the following employee has been approved. If ever guys nakalimutan ni employee na mag-print ng statement of account ng loan niya, so pwede itong gamitin ng mga HR. So dito mo makikita yung loan amount niya at saka magkano yung monthly amortization which is 1,718.64 at kailan yung date ng umpisa ng kaltas sa payslip. So ang una niyang kaltas sa payslip ay March 1, 2026. So ayun guys, ganun lang kadali si employer mag-certify ng SSS salary loan. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, i-comment nyo lang dyan sa baba. Thank you so much!